Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you the technique. About sine 2x, we got about 2 sine x cosine x. Next, we simplify number 2. Next, we do about common denominator. That should be about sine x cosine x minus s. So we put negative s in here. Next, if we put number 0 in here, you got about 0 over 0. So in this situation, we use about L hospital. So we do first derivative on numerator. And denominator. So on numerator, we do first derivative of sine s. So you got about cosine s squared. We do first derivative of cosine s. You got about negative sine s with the sine s. So you got about sine s squared minus number 1. Next, on denominator, we do first derivative of s. You got about sine s cosine s. So we do first derivative of sine s. You got about s cosine s squared. And the next one you got about s sine s squared. So because we still have 0 over 0, so we still use about L hospital. So we do first derivative on numerator. And denominator. So this one you will got about 2 negative number 2 sine s cosine s. This one you got about negative number 2 sine s cosine s. This one we got about cosine s squared minus sine s squared. This one you got about cosine s squared. Later that we have negative number 2 s sine s cosine s. This one you got about sine s squared. And this one you got about negative 2s sine s cosine s. Now we need to simplify. This one you got about negative 4 sine s cosine s. We have cosine s squared with cosine s squared. You got about 2 cosine s squared. Negative 2 sine s squared. This one you got about 4 negative 4s sine s cosine s. So we put number 0 in here, 0 in here, and you got about number 0. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.